everyone, Eric with Rocket H. In this video, we're going to take apart this PEM Freightliner, what is this, FLD120. There's 2 rivets on the bottom of this. That's where we're going to start. That removes the cab from the die-cast frame. You get that done, this is just going to release. It may take a little wiggling, you may even have to get a screwdriver in there, but you have to remove all the die cast off of this rivet right here, or these 2 rivets anyways, and then this thing should come off, like I said. And if it's too much work, or if it's too tough, remove more die cast. It's that simple. And hopefully that's all we need to do. There we go. And you want to save this bumper if you're going to reuse it anyways, and then you can put that back underneath where that came out, because it is held on just like so. Just like that. Pretty easy money. Go ahead and put that away, and if you don't have a parts bin, get one. If you want the easy way out, you can reuse this frame. Just swap out those wheels if you don't like the wheels. You can put any other style of wheels on that you like. They're basically all the same size, within a millimeter or less, and that's the simplest way to build this truck. After that, you wiggle this apart like so, and the interior may pop out, so might a window. These are just glued in place. These are really easy to take out. You can see they goober a lot of glue, hot glue here, just to attach to those windows. These just sit on the frame in there. They're pinned on, but they're not glued in place, so they just pop out, and you're done there. The interior may or may not fall out, you never know. And then you can just push that out, that other side window, just like so. Again, hot glue is all that keeps them in. Super simple to take apart. Love these little trucks. And then your windscreen and all that come out as one piece. There's your windscreen, and there's the window in the sleeper. And if you need to, just grab that, push that out. Again, hot glue is all that holds that in, so it makes it super duper simple. Love these little trucks, they're great. After that, get you a knife. Boom, right there. All you're gonna do is right here on this front grille, this is plastic. There's 2 pieces of plastic on the back side, on the inside, that you can cut off, and then it just pops right off like so. Easy money. And then you can do the same thing for this rear exhaust. See there on the inside, there's that plastic that's been mushed down. Get in there with your knife, cut that off. You don't have to cut these off, but I recommend it. Just ensures that you're not going to break it, especially if you want to reuse them. If you don't want to reuse them, then it doesn't matter. And then these will just come right out. And voila, done. Next are these mirrors. You do not get an extra set of mirrors. Do treat these gingerly, because you can break them. Now, there is mushroom plastic on the inside right there where it attaches, but at the end of that knife, and then there's another one on the top. If there is mushroom plastic, you can take your knife and cut that out. You can do the same thing on the passenger side. Get that done. After you're done with that, get you a sharp something or other. I've sharpened up a screwdriver just like this, and I go ahead and stick that through one of the windows, and then I push from the inside out. Just want to get those pins pushed out. And ta-da! They may not come all the way out, but you should be able to gently pull, and look at that. There they go. Let's do that on the driver's side, or passenger side as it is. And again, just getting in. There's not a really awesome way to get into there, so you just kind of got to work that out. Sometimes you might push the die cast rather than get into the actual hole where the pin sits. And there we go. Look at that right there. Done. And this thing is ready for paint stripper. Next, there are a couple of pieces of plastic right here, and it's called these headlights right there. Again, same situation. See that plastic right there? It's been kind of smooshed out. You can remove that with your knife. And then with your sharp object, push those from behind like so. See how that's coming out? Now you can just gently kind of push that out, wiggle it out. Same situation here. You can use your sharp object there. You can use a knife. You can kind of gently twist and save both pins on your headlights like so. And that is how you disassemble a PEM FLD120. That's it. Thanks for watching.